Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw alphabets and numbers. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, blue color, yellow color, green color, white color, and black color. Kids, now I draw alphabets. And first you draw A and use red color. This is A. A for apple. This is B. B for ball. This is C. C for cat. This is D. D for dog. This is E. E for elephant. This is F. F for fish. This is G. G for God. This is H. H for helicopter. This is I. I for ice cream. Kids, now J. The alphabets of J, and use blue color. This is J. J for joker. This is K. K for king. This is L. L for lion. This is M. M for moon. This is N. N for nose. This is O. O for octopus. This is P. P for parrot. This is Q. Q for queen. Kids, now draw R. The alphabets of R, and use yellow color. Yellow color. This is R. R for rose. This is S. S for sun. This is T. T for teacher. This is U. U for umbrella. This is V. V for van. This is W. W for wallet. This is X. X for xylophone. This is Y. Y for yak. This is Z. Z for zebra. Kids, now draw numbers. And first you draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use green color. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. This is 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.